Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Tech Guru for You. I'm Raiz, and today we've got an electrifying topic lined up: capacitors. Yep, those small electronic components that play a big role in powering up your devices. Before we dive into the world of capacitors, let's make sure we're equipped with the right knowledge. You might be wondering, how do we measure the capacity of these capacitors? Well, the unit of measurement for capacitors is the farad, named after the brilliant scientist Michael Faraday. But in our day-to-day tech life, capacitors are often measured in smaller units like microfarads, UF, nanofarads, NF, or picofarads, PF. The larger the capacitance, the more energy a capacitor can store. Think of it as the bigger the storage unit, the more stuff you can pack into it. Now that's a neat bit of knowledge to store in your tech vault, isn't it? With this understanding, we are now ready to delve into the fascinating world of capacitors. Buckle up, folks. Let's simplify it. A capacitor is a passive electronic component that stores electrical energy within an electric field. It's like a mini storage unit for electrons. And when it comes to capacitors, there's a whole variety available, each with its unique characteristics. So, what's the secret recipe for a capacitor? It's straightforward. A capacitor is made up of two conductive plates separated by a non-conductive or insulating material, known as a dielectric. The type of dielectric used can influence the properties of the capacitor. Now, onto the two main types, polar and non-polar. Polar capacitors, like electrolytic capacitors, have a positive and a negative terminal. On the other hand, non-polar capacitors, such as ceramic capacitors, don't have specific polarity. 1. Electrolytic capacitors. These are the go-to for high capacitance values and are often found in power supply circuits. 2. Ceramic capacitors. Small but mighty, these are great for high-frequency applications. 3. Plastic capacitors. Known for their stability and reliability, these are commonly used in audio applications. 1. Gang capacitors. These are like a Swiss Army knife of capacitors with multiple capacitors in one package, ideal for tuning circuits. 2. SMD capacitors. These are surface mount devices, perfect for those compact designs on PCBs. Now, where would you use these capacitors? Well, their unique properties dictate their usage. Electrolytic capacitors are excellent for smoothing voltage in power supplies. Ceramic capacitors work wonders for noise filtering, and plastic capacitors are perfect for audio circuits. And that's a wrap on our journey through the world of capacitors. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just curious about electronics, understanding these components is the key to unlocking a universe of possibilities. Remember to hit that subscribe button for more tech insights. This is Raiz signing off from Tech Guru for You. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the tech universe.